Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. I hope you've all had a lovely weekend, which has whizzed by again this week. And as we finish Toby the Parrot, which we did last, I think the last one was Friday, wasn't it? We come to a brand new zoo animal. And I've been hunting around, thinking of what I could do next. You know, you've got giraffes, tigers, there's so many different animals in the zoo. And I recently went to the works in Chelmsford and I always, have a look in there, see what they've got. And I thought this really does stand out for me. Now, after the fiasco we had with the delivery, last time with I got an elephant and all the drills were all over the place. But weirdly enough, the bag was not ripped. So I don't know how it happened, and I thought I'm not doing delivery, so I'll go in there. Now, at the moment, they've got some really lovely ones in there. So you've got like an owl there, you've got a tiger. That one looks gorgeous, but it's sort of like a very sort of vintage sort of vibe to me. It's not giving me enough to buy it. It looks very sort of old fashioned. Then you've got some flowers, and we've got sunflower, and the cat looks gorgeous. And then we've also got that gorgeous little puppy at the end. So there is some lovely ones there. I can just see a turtle just up there as well. So that's quite an oldish one. They've had that for a while. But and then at the end here, they've got a massive peacock for 10 quid. So do check out the works at the moment. They've got some lovely items, and I went for this because obviously you do get yourself a classic tiger in the zoo. And I was debating whether to keep it for January because we do tigers in January, but I could not resist. I've got to have it as part of my zoo theme. Now these are only £5, so it was a really, really good deal. If we turn over the box, look at that. Isn't that a typical zoo? That is just perfect for the zoo theme because you do typically get the tigers lying out in the sun in the zoo when the keepers have just fed them their meat. They do like to lie about. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we don't have any unspilt drills. So fingers crossed, wish me luck on this one, because last time I got one from the works, yeah, I couldn't even bear to unbox it on camera. It was that, destroyed sort of thing, that I could just had to scrap it and chuck it away, which is a shame. But yeah, so I thought we'll do this. We need a name for this because we are desperately running out of names for tigers. So yeah, put some names in the comments, guys, and then maybe I'll pick one at random. So this is a partial. We can see that because obviously the drill symbols are here. Let's take a look under here. Also, what I will say is this has been swapped. So where you would normally get the unboxing on the Wednesday, you're going to get your Monday whip and chat on the Wednesday instead, because obviously we finished Toby a little bit earlier than I originally planned. And so obviously I need to bring that unboxing forward in order to start this. So there's no point me whip and chatting without you seeing the unboxing first. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now, it is a little bit, for example, that looks nothing like that, does it? It's a little bit on the squash side. I think they've pixelated this. Yeah, okay, bit disappointed because it's very clumped. I mean, even down here the paws are just so pushed in, and yeah, I don't know how well this is going to turn out. I feel like they've like squeezed it in too much, because that's the thing with these things. They put a picture on it and you think, oh, lovely, and then when you unravel it, it don't look anything like the painting on the box. So all we can do is try. Yeah, I'm disappointed, I'll be honest with you there, purely because already looking at that, because I diamond paint for over 2 years and stuff, I can straight away tell you that is gonna look not good when I paint it. Just looking at it, I can tell it's proper gonna be pixelated on this, and it's really annoying because you would think they'd stop doing the pixelated version and do the crystal clear prints, but I don't know. We'll give it a go, and see what we can do. It's got 12 colours. We'll check the stick. I mean, looking at that, there's no way I would charge £5 for that, if I'm in all fairness, because of the quality of the print on this. Looks nothing like that. I would probably price that at £3 max. But yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed. But, we have to finish it, and we bought it now. There's nothing we can do now. Could take it back, I suppose, for a refund, but let's give it a go. Yeah, so in the works we also get you always get the circle trays with the works one, as you can see here. So I don't tend to on keeping them, I tend to just like trash them or put them in the garbage. So yeah, so that's that, and we'll take a look at our drawers for the minute here. So yeah, very disappointed if I'm honest with you, because the thing is I can't like open it up in the shop and go you know, don't I, because they're sealed. So at the back of here you've got like a little sticker thing, and I don't think the shop would appreciate me looking at them and then like putting them back in the box, you know. So right, let's have a look and see what we got. Again, they're not color coded. Well, they are got numbers on, but it's not DMC coded. So yeah, just make sure you have these jewels exactly where you need them, because you lose them, you're going to be in a pickle. Now we've got brown, we've got a terracotta browny colour, we've got a very sort of orangey sort of colour, and a green, and a dark brown, and a very gorgeous light blue there, sorry, dark blue, war blue. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm not with it today, I'm tired, so it's been a long day for me. And then we got some pinks there. It's quite a nice one. It's going into that pastel vibe, isn't it? We've got a sort of banana colour and an orange colour and a white. So yeah, it is a 30x30, as I said. It doesn't look anything like the picture on the box, sort of lighter colours, but we haven't got the jewels on, so we can't complain just yet. We need to see the full picture. I suspect it's going to be very similar like when we did Hobie, that sort of like where they sort of overpowered it, where it looked like it was in a desert. But what can we say? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you think it's too pixelated, or do you think it's just about right? For me, I would say it's a little bit too pushed in, as I said. I mean, obviously down here you can't even see where the detail of the, you know, the paws are, where he's got his legs crossed like here. You've got one coming round here and then the other one's going over there. You can't really see that because you've got the elbow one, but where the hell is the first one? I think it's just coming along there, isn't it? But yeah, not the best of paintings, and this is why I take so long to, you know, make a decision on buying them, because some I do get from the works and they're really, really good. They come out great, but then some come out really crap, if I'm honest with you. So it's the pick of the gamble, you see. You've got to do a lucky dip and see which one you end up with. You could get a crap one, you could get a really good quality one. But yeah, this is why we do these videos, so that you guys get an impression of what they look like before you go out and make the same mistakes that I do of buying a really crap one. But anyway, that's that. So we're going to be starting this on Tuesday. Be no whip and chat here today, and we will start that on Tuesday. I'll get that all kitted up, and then on Wednesday you'll get Monday's whip and chat, and then next week it'll be back to the usual unboxing every week. And next week is a bloody good one. It's from the range, so I'm super excited for next week to show you that, guys. But let's pop that back in the box for now, because obviously I won't be starting that until later on. So I will kit that up a little bit later once I've had my dinner and stuff, so that can go over there. But as I said, if you want to get it, it's £5 at the moment, and they've got a lovely range of all sorts of different ones. As I said, you've got a lovely selection here. As you know, me and my love for flowers, I'll probably grab that one as well. But yeah, I think when I go up there next week, I'm probably going to get the cat, the dog. I'm tempted to get the peacock, but looking at that, I mean, you probably got all of this like white, and then just a middle bit just painted. So it's a lot of money to pay for just a small section to paint, if you get me. But even the butterfly looks lovely, but it's just a little bit too old-fashioned for me. But I don't know. But that's what they've got in the works at the moment. As I said, stores do vary, so it depends on what, you know, your store could have something different to what my store has, but you just have to see what they've got. But anyway, enough rambling on. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to get this for yourself, I'll pop the link in the description, because I think they've got it online as well. I don't advise ordering through online, because sometimes you'll get it out of the box like this, and then all the drills are like splattered about within the painting. But, you know, check if this is not for you, then there's always another painting. So if tigers are not your thing, you can always get another one. But we need names, people, so put them in the comments, and I'll see which one's the best name, and then we'll go from there. But anyway, take care, have a lovely evening. We'll see you tomorrow for whip and chatting. Bye.